A man installed his mobile charge in a public place and 16 lakh rupees was stolen from his bank account. This incident happened with a person from India itself. He put his mobile in the charging port of a public place and after some time he came to know that 16 lakh rupees stolen from his bank account. The way this money was stolen from the bank, it is called juice jacking in the language of cybercrime. In this, the USB charging port is tampered with in public places like bus stops, railway stations and airports. Then as soon as someone starts charging his mobile, hackers steal all their data. In this, hackers put malicious software, which is also called malware, which gives all of the phone access to its system. This malicious software is installed even when the victim mistakenly gives permission, even if the OR is not given. For this reason, a few days ago, the Odisha police refused to charge the phone in public places. How to save yourself from this? 1. Don't plug your charger in public charging socket. 2. Always carry a power bank. 3. Always charge your mobile with your charger. 4. Always charge your phone before stepping out. Do not connect your phone to public free Wi-Fi. 6. Do not charge your phone from someone else's laptop. 7. Whenever such an incident happens to you, do not panic. Complain to the cyber police near you or register a dispute online.